Okay, so we have an HP laser printer. It's a black printer. We switched out the cartridge. This is the old cartridge, and there used to be a chip glued into that thing right there. When you buy the new one, the ones that you get for cheap, they come with this tool. This tool you put on top of that chip right there, and you basically just screw this in and it pops the chip off of that one. And then on the side of this is some sandpaper. So if there's any glue stuck on it, you can take the glue out, get the glue off it. And then the chip goes in the new one right there. And on the end of this one, there's actually a clip to hold it in there. Make sure you get it in there so it holds it in. And then you just put it back in. On ours, it kept saying we still had an Air 11, which meant I had to get in and do a firmware update, restart it, and it seemed to be working now. So it's, we'll throw this thing back in there. This is the new one. Slide it in like that so you got your name on top. That's all there's to it. Close it up. Power back on. Yeah, this little tool comes with the new printer. So these little tweezers. But here, just hold this. You just put this. You can see it broke it off when you're doing it. You just put it in there like that. Put it in and then just tighten it up, and it pops the chip right off of it. It's that easy. And you can see we still no air no more. That's always on. I don't know why that's on, but it's always on. But it is working. All good. Anyway, guys, have a great day.